Hey y'all, a little bit of a different adventure today here in Wyoming. We are in the Bighorn Canyon recreation area. We're here at Horseshoe Marina and we're gonna go on a pontoon tour today. We're gonna go into the Bighorn Canyon, which is the third largest canyon in the United States. So I don't have all of my trivia on that yet, but I'm sure we're gonna learn that once we get out on the boat tour. But here at Horseshoe Bend Marina, they have this beautiful day use area. Of course, we are the end of August, so we're probably getting back down to our winter pools. But this is a great little day use area, little beach area to come down and enjoy the Bighorn Lake. And look at the scenery. Look at all the red cliffs. It's just gorgeous. So we're hoping we get out on the boat. You can see by the trees, we've got a lot of wind today. Our boat captain said it's gonna happen, so we're gonna trust him. So up above the beach area is a volleyball net, and then got covered picnic area, a little playground in there, and the marina, the building itself here at the marina, they do have food in there. They have live bands most every Friday night, so this is a Friday, so I'm hoping when we come back from the boat ride, the boat tour, that we'll get to see, eat a little food here, try out the food, and listen to the music. Let's step in here, show the playground. So there's a lot going on here at Horseshoe Bend Marina. A good way to spend a day out on the lake. Plenty of picnic tables in the shade here. And let's just walk around the building. They have nice bathrooms on the outside here, more covered picnic areas. Oh, they have the fish cleaning station over here too. So it is everything that you need for a great day out. All right, Horseshoe Bend Marina and Store, boat rentals, boat tours, food and drink, ice and bait. There's your 2-hour boat tours. They're at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. We're doing the 2 p.m. tour. An ice chest, plenty of parking, and then there's boat parking on the other side over there. We'll walk over here to the boat ramp, show you the boat ramp. There is fish cleaning. Okay, so this area, it says this is a fishing beach only, so the day use is over there where we showed you. If you're gonna swim, you swim over there. This is fishing beach only. Nice, great big boat ramp down here. And then if you're out on the lake, you can come over and dock your boat down here. Come up here to the restaurant, go to the bathroom, whatever you need to do. Great little spot. And then from here at the marina, up on the hill is a campground up there. Maybe, hopefully I'll get a chance to get up there and kind of walk through the campground up there. Good thing you put "yet" in there.
Not how serious.
Yeah. All right, here is our tour boat. Still pretty windy. All right, we'll name the bell.
How's it going? Great.
Yeah.
Oh, I could have worn my hat.
to there is where the National Craft Cave is. If you haven't heard of that, it's a prehistoric graveyard, sinkhole, and then it goes into a cave system.
Look how tall the cliffs are getting. Right here is a waterfall in the wet season. It comes from a cave up above. Look how green that little crevice is there. Looks like a waterfall maybe in the wet season. And he said the cliffs ahead of us were 500 feet above the water. And we're going to end up with cliffs 1,500 feet
Okay, guys,
above the
as
water.
you go around the corner here, start looking on these.
This cliff face is closing up the hole as we go by. Isn't that neat?
Once we cross the state line, everything on the right side is part of the Crow Indian Reservation. Anybody from Colorado on here?
Look how gorgeous.
Cool. Sir, I'm going to pick on you. How about Montana?
Yeah. 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 My gosh. This is absolutely amazing.
North, yeah, this pretty close from south to north.
From this angle, this big piece up here looks like it could just roll off at any point. Pretty cool how it's cut in there. saw the bighorn
Yeah, you
sheep.
were coming. That's right. I'm going to turn the boat around.
Alright, so up there is the Devil's Canyon overlook.
Oh, yeah.
We'll get some video from up there and show you what it looks like down to the water. Alright, so we've made our way to the top of the Devil's Canyon overlook. We were down here on the water for our tour group. We came right up through this canyon here. I know, this it's beautiful, and it looks like, you know, in thaw season it would be a waterfall.
Oh, can you imagine that?
Woo-wee! That would be so great to see.
Wow.
About 14 different species of bats here in Wyoming, and he said the brown bat.
The average bat eats 3 pounds of mosquitoes.
3 pounds of mosquitoes. Look at that cool cave. I would love to be out here on the water and capture that evening mealtime, the evening feed. Alright, you can see we're getting back into the lower rock formations, the lower cliffs. So our journey is about over. So if you're ever in Lovell, Wyoming, make your way to the Horseshoe Bend Marina and do the boat tour into the Bighorn Canyon. That's the end of our boat tour adventure. We're gonna head in here to Horseshoe Bend Marina and grab a bite to eat. But I hope you loved that boat tour as much as I did.